Gym and fitness. Before we start, let's learn some key words for today's video.
Hello, I want to join this gym.
Hello, welcome to Fit Life Gym. My name is Ben. I am a trainer here.
Nice to meet you, Ben. My name is Olivia.
Nice to meet you too, Olivia. Do you have a membership card?
No, I don't have one. This is my first time here.
No problem. I can help you sign up today.
Great. What do I need to do?
You need to fill out this form. Please write your name and phone number.
Okay, I can do that now.
Take your time. After that, we will take your photo for your membership card.
Sounds good. I am excited to start.
I am happy to hear that. A gym membership is a great choice for your health. Now let me show you around the gym.
Yes, please. I want to see everything.
This is the cardio area. We have treadmills, bikes, and other machines here.
What is a treadmill?
A treadmill is a machine for walking or running indoors.
Oh, I understand. I use a treadmill at home sometimes.
That's great. Over there is the weight room. You can lift weights there.
I see many machines. What are they for?
Different machines work different muscles. I can explain each one later.
Okay, thank you. This gym is very big.
Let me show you the locker room now.
Okay, where can I put my bag?
You can use any empty locker. Just bring your own lock.
I don't have a lock today.
Don't worry, you can buy one at the front desk.
Thank you. Where can I change my clothes?
You can change here in the locker room. There are private changing areas too.
Perfect. I will get ready now.
Are you ready to start your workout?
Yes, I'm ready.
First, we need to warm up. A warm-up helps your body get ready for exercise.
How do we warm up?
We can walk for 5 minutes. Then we will stretch our arms and legs.
That sounds easy.
Let's start walking now. Please follow me.
Okay, I am walking.
Good job. Now let's stretch our arms like this.
Like this?
Yes, exactly. Hold this stretch for 10 seconds.
I feel good already.
Now let's try the treadmill. This is good cardio exercise.
How do I start the machine?
Press this green button to start. Then choose your speed.
What speed should I use?
For beginners, a slow speed is best. You can walk first.
Okay, I will walk slowly.
Perfect. How do you feel?
I feel good. This is not too hard.
Great. After a few weeks, you can try running.
I want to try that soon.
You are doing very well for your first day. Now let's try some weight machines.
I am a little nervous. I have never used these before.
Don't worry, I will show you the correct way.
Thank you. What muscle does this machine work?
This machine works your leg muscles. Sit down here, please. Now push the pedal slowly. Don't go too fast.
Okay, I am pushing now.
Good. Do 10 repetitions. We call this 10 reps.
1, 2, 3. This is hard.
You're doing great. Take a short rest after this set. Now let's try some free weights.
What are free weights?
These are weights you hold in your hands. We call them dumbbells.
They look heavy.
We have light dumbbells for beginners. Let's start with these small ones.
Okay, I will try.
Hold the dumbbell like this. Keep your back straight.
Is my form correct?
Almost. Please bend your knees a little more.
I feel my muscles working.
That's exactly right. You are learning fast. Let's talk about membership plans now.
What plans do you have?
We have a monthly plan and a yearly plan.
What is the price for the monthly plan?
The monthly plan is $40 per month.
And the yearly plan?
The yearly plan is $300 for the year. It is cheaper.
I think I will choose the yearly plan.
Good choice. That plan saves you money.
Where do I pay?
You can pay here with cash or a credit card.
I will pay with my credit card.
Congratulations, Olivia. You are now a member of our gym.
Thank you so much, Ben. I had a great first day.
I am glad you enjoyed it. When will you come back?
I will come back on Monday for the yoga class.
Perfect. I will see you then.
Thank you for all your help today.
You're welcome. Have a great day, Olivia.
You too, Ben. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you soon.